This is a person that I was connected with. He's on the right, a special operations warfighter. His parachute did not open. So about 6-7 months ago, before this picture was taken, he was in a coma. His father sent me an email, "Thank you for helping my son, terrible parachute accident." While the first few days we thought that he was not going to make it, he's miraculously recovered. I connected him at the time. This happened in Colorado. He was at a facility in Colorado. And I was like, there's a great facility here in Tampa, the Tampa VA hospital, so they moved him there. And I'm in communication with the registered dietitian and the polytrauma team there, and they basically brought him back to life. And he's like fully operational now, no signs of traumatic brain. It took him months to recover, but he has fully recovered to my knowledge of that. And I've been in contact with his father. And so current and future research, we're exploring preclinical studies with preclinical animal models, spearheading medical education on ketone and metabolic therapies.